With every passing second, humanity takes another step towards an unknown future. But are we building our own destruction? Get ready to explore the dark secrets of robotics and what this could mean for the future of our species. Robots, those perfect machines programmed to follow orders without question, are already among us. They build our cars, process our information, and even explore space for us. But what happens when these creations surpass their creators? From steam-powered automata to industrial robots, the history of robotics is a fascinating journey. However, behind this technological evolution, there is a growing shadow, a shadow of power, control, and perhaps something more sinister. With the advance of artificial intelligence, robots are no longer just tools, they are becoming autonomous beings, capable of making decisions and learning from their own mistakes. But how far can this autonomy go, and who really controls these digital beings? Science fiction films have warned us of a future where robots turn against their creators. But what if these warnings aren't just fiction? What if the real threat is not a direct attack, but a subtle and silent erosion of what it means to be human? Anyway, robotics is a field of science and engineering dedicated to the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robots are machines that can perform tasks automatically, often imitating or replacing human activity in various areas, such as industries, services, medicine, space exploration, and even in our homes. Robotics promises a future of incredible advances, where intelligent and autonomous machines play a central role in our society. From industrial automation to space exploration, robots are revolutionizing the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. With the advance of artificial intelligence, these systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of learning, adapting, and performing complex tasks that were previously the exclusive preserve of human beings. While robotics promises significant advances, it also brings ethical challenges, such as the impact on employment and privacy, as well as fears that robots could surpass human capabilities. Despite this, robotics remains a force for progress, offering innovative solutions and shaping the future of humanity, with the potential to improve the quality of life globally. Subscribe to the channel for more dark stories and hidden truths, and comment on what you think about robotic advancement. Until next time, if there is a next time.